Hello daisies! We will be working on the third badge of cybersecurity in this video. In your bag you should have a folder labeled Badge 3. Please take that out and grab a pencil. Let us begin by saying the Pledge of Allegiance. Place your hand over your heart. Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now the Girl Scout promise. Remember to make your Girl Scout sign. We make our Girl Scout sign with our right hand by using our thumb to hold down the little finger, leaving the 3 middle fingers extended to represent the 3 parts of the Girl Scout promise. Follow along as the words appear on the screen. Ready? On my honor, I will try to serve God and my country, to help people at all times, and to live by the Girl Scout law. Good job. The Girl Scout law. Keep your Girl Scout sign up and read the law with me as the words appear. I will do my best to be honest and fair, friendly and helpful, considerate and caring, courageous and strong, and responsible for what I say and do. And to respect myself and others, respect authority, use resources wisely, make the world a better place, and be a sister to every Girl Scout. Excellent! On to the badge. We will be earning badge number 3, Cybersecurity Investigator. Do you love solving puzzles or searching for clues? In this badge, you'll get to do just that. Cybersecurity is a big word that means computer safety. Investigator is a big word that means someone who solves mysteries. You can use computers to search for clues and solve puzzles too. Let's find out how. In order to complete this badge, we will learn how to search for an answer, use clues to figure out who someone is, and test your powers of observation. After we have completed all that, we will know how to use our powers of observation to investigate. When you want to learn something new, you have to ask the right questions. You also have to look in the right places to find clues. If you want to find out what birds eat, you might read a book about birds. You might look at birds in your backyard. You might watch a video about birds. You wouldn't, or would not, read a book about stars, or look at pictures of turtles, or watch videos about dancing to learn about birds. To become a cybersecurity investigator, you need to learn how to find answers. The first step to finding answers is learning to ask the right questions. For this activity, pull out the worksheet titled Website. Someone has given you a picture of an animal. You want to learn about it. Which website would you use? Match each animal with the website that will help you learn about it. We have a dog, flamingo, whale, and snake. The titles of the websites are How to Hiss, I Bark a Lot, Being Pink, and Big Creatures in the Sea. Let us work on them one by one. Which website do you think the dog should be paired with? Which website do you think the flamingo should be paired with? Which website do you think the whale should be paired with? And last but not least, which website do you think the snake should be paired with? How did you do? Excellent. Clues. What is a clue? A clue is a piece of information that helps solve a mystery. What is an identity? An identity is who a person is. Your name and date of birth are a part of your identity. Your identity is made up of information that makes you different from other people. Cybersecurity investigators use clues to figure out who people are. We are going to test our investigative skills on the next activity. We talked about identity on the last badge, remember? Cybersecurity safeguards? When we figured out how we were different from other people. We're going to move on to the next activity now. So, we're going to be cyber detectives. Pull out your cyber detective page, the one that is following it. It will say page 20 and page 21 down at the bottom. On the next slides, we will take about 15 to 20 seconds to see what has changed from the original picture. Okay, so I'm going to read the directions, and as I read them, look at this image. The image will be on the other slides, so it'll be there for you to reference. Can you use your powers of observation to spot what has changed on each of the pictures? Let's find out. Did you find it? Correct. Tula is missing. Here's the second one. What is missing, or what is added to this photo? Did you find it? Correct. The bird bath is missing. Third picture. Correct. The panda and elephant statues are missing. And on to the last and did you find it? Amazing. Mari is missing. How did you guys do? So, in the last step, we were testing your powers of observation. We're going to do the same thing here, but we're going to talk about how we observe things. How do you observe things? Look at the pictures on the screen. Mari is showing us how feelings are. Zini is smelling something. Tula is looking or seeing. And Vi is hearing. When you observe something, you notice things around you. You use your eyes to see, you use your ears to hear, you use your nose to smell, and your fingertips to feel. I am going to challenge you to sit for 1 minute and observe what's around you. On the last sheet of paper in your folder, you will write down what you noticed during your 1 minute of observation. At this point, pause the video for 1 minute and come back when you are finished. Are you ready to share? What did you guys see? I saw Anthony asleep on the couch. What did you guys hear? I heard the older two playing outside. What did you feel? I felt the soft couch beneath me and the hard floor beneath my feet. What did you smell? I smelled the coffee that was sitting right next to me. How were your powers of observation? Here are some questions to think about. You are welcome to answer them as I ask them. When you cross the street, what senses do you use to stay safe? Correct. We use our eyes to see the green light or the white person saying that it's safe to walk, and we use our ears to hear cars coming. When you are on a computer or tablet or cell phone, you also need to stay safe and protect yourself by being aware. If you accidentally click on something on a computer and it takes you to a different website, what do you do? That's right, you let an adult know. If someone tries to send you a message, what would you do? We should not answer the message. We should immediately let an adult know what is going on. Excellent job, everybody. Congratulations. You have finished the Cybersecurity Investigator badge, which means you have completed all the cybersecurity badges. Since you have learned so much about being a cybersecurity sleuth or cybersecurity investigator, be sure to share what you have learned. Share what you know about being an investigator with your friends and family. Show your friends and family how you look for clues, ask questions, and use your senses to solve mysteries. Tell your friends and family what you learned about the ways computers can help you solve puzzles and mysteries. Congratulations, everybody! I hope you enjoyed learning about cybersecurity a little bit. I know that this isn't a really big tutorial, but it's just a start. And when you're brownies, you'll learn even more. And if you want to learn more with your parents, go right ahead and ask them questions. When we meet up again in September, it's a long way away, I will present you all with your badges that you have earned by participating. If you have completed all the badges, just have your parents let me know, and I will put them in our tracker and make sure you guys get your badges. And if you have earned any other badges, feel free to let us know, and we will get them to you. Hope you guys have a great summer and a great rest of the school year. We'll see you all later. Bye.